This is the video for the main program of the Nested Loops game. Starts out with the instruction branch if equal, task to 0 to AA. AA is where it initializes a new game. And when the program starts, task will be 0 because it needs to initialize a game. The next line says put the absolute value of game number in the game number. Next one says branch if the game number is equal to the was game number to AC. That would mean that the game's already running, so you come down here, you don't have to initialize a game. But if you have to initialize a game, it sets the was game number to the game number, sets the task to 1, uses the stat action to set up a sequence of notes to put in the blue note box, and then it calls subprogram 1 tab 0 to initialize the game, and then it exits. Then the next cycle, when it comes around, game number will be equal to the was game number, so it will go to AC down here, where it says to put note 1 in the blue note box. Then the next two lines have to do with YouTube videos, so we skip them. And the next three lines, though, are all running routines in subprogram 1, tab 2, and then tab 3. Then it sets the font to 422, which is bold 22 points, a color 400, which is a dark red, XY position to 1125, says put the text there of game number, then add 20 to X, and ask for the game number. Now I've highlighted the rest of the instructions for the main program. XY position 205, tall wide 18 to 40, a color 48, which is a light blue, rectangle fill. Then it says that box is clickable as click number 2, add a little to X and Y, set the font to bold 13 point, color it yellow, put the text in the box, toggle the answer on off. Then it checks to see if the box was clicked on. It says if a click wasn't for 2, go to AE, that's down here. If they did click on it, then it adds 1 to the show answer and then mods it with 2. So it's 0, 1, 0, 1, which is do it or don't do it. Then for I of 0, and down here we have next I 5, 1, it's going to check to see if the pick values are equal to the answer values. If they ever are not equal, it's going to go down here to AG and exit. But if they are equal, that is all 6 of them, it continues on down here, but it also doesn't show it based on the tick value. It says get the time, mod it with 14, and put the answer in 7. It's going to be a value that goes from 0 to 13, 0 to 13, as the game is running. If that value of t is less than or equal to 7, go to AG. Well, again, you're not showing they matched, which is down here. But if that agrees, we come down here, we set the XY value to 10250, the color to 400, which is a dark red, the font to 4 and 40 points, that's big. And then it puts the text on the screen of they matched. Here is what the screen looks like. And here's the blue box. Toggle the answer on and off. Alright, this is the end of the video for the main program of the Nested Loops game.